Animalia. Kingdom Animalia includes the classification of animals according to their different body structures, body plan, body symmetry, cell aggregation. Like that way, many unicellular organisms are there like amoeba, then paramecium, then euglena. You can observe their body symmetry and here body characteristic features of animals. Criteria for animal classification. The question is always asked for exam. There are 5 main criteria according to which we can classify the animals. First, that is the grades of organization. Grades of organization, first type of grade of organization, that is cellular. Animals are made up of only cells. Okay? Single celled animal, example amoeba, paramecium, euglena, like that way. Then cell and tissue organization. That means in some animals, cell aggregate and forms tissue. What is meant by tissue? A tissue can be defined as group of cells having similar structure and similar function. That is called as tissue. Tissue level of organization. Then tissue organ level of organization. That means many tissues coming together forming organ. Our sense organs are there like eyes, nose, tongue, skin, like that way. 5 sense organs are there. Eyes, sense of vision. Ear, sense of sound. Nose, sense of smell. Tongue, sense of taste. And skin, sense of touch. These sense organs are formed from tissue. That is the tissue level of organization. Then organ level, many organs are there like sense organs and other body organs. Many organs coming together forming system. Many systems coming together forming a human body. Which are the systems present in the human body? Respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, endocrinal system. These are the many systems coming together and forms human body. This is the grades of organization. Smallest unit of structural and functional unit of our body is the cell. Many cells coming together forming a tissue. Many tissues coming together forming a organ. Many organs coming together forming a system. And many systems coming together forming a body. These are the organization. Here cellular organization, tissue level organization, organ level and system level. The next, body symmetry. Second criteria for animal classification, that is the body symmetry. Animals are classified according to their body symmetry. Asymmetrical animal, for example, amoeba. Amoeba does not shows 2 parts identical after cutting in a single plane. Is this identity? No. डावा उजवा भाग समान होईल का त्याचा? नाही. Asymmetrical. Paramecium also asymmetrical. But frog is symmetrical because when there is you take median cut, then right and left side equal. Our also, when you can cut the median cut, then you get 2 parts equal, right and left. This is the. But in some animals are asymmetrical. Some animals are radially symmetrical. Example, starfish. 5 arms are there in the starfish. Therefore, they show radial symmetry. Then next, bilateral symmetry. In human body, bilateral symmetry. Bi means 2. Lateral sides means साइडच्या 2 बाजू, डावी आणि उजवी. दोन्ही बाजू सारख्या. For example, human being. Bilateral symmetry is there. Then next, body cavity is the third criteria for animal classification. Body cavity consists 3 types of animals, that is acoelomate, coelomate, pseudocoelomate and coelomate. Acoelomate means what? Coelo means cavity. Our body shows 2 cavities. Digestive system consists inner coelom or inner cavity, and outside digestive system also there is a body cavity. That means tube within tube plan is there. Here coelom is present. Acoelomate animal when coelom is absent. Coelom means cavity is absent. That animals are called as acoelomate. In some animals, there is a pseudocoelom. Pseudo means false. Actually, there is no true coelom, but there is a looks like a coelom, therefore called as pseudocoelomate. The next third type that is called as coelomate. Actual true cavity is there, therefore called as coelomate animals. How many types are there according to coelomate? Coelom, coelomate, pseudocoelomate, and coelomate. Then next criteria for animal classification, that is germ layer. Two germ layers are there in some animals. Diploblastic, triploblastic. Di means 2 and tri means 3. When there are two layers called as diploblastic animals. Body is made up of two layers, consists two layers, then these are diploblastic. When body consists three layers, then called as triploblastic. Our body is also made up of three derms from the embryonic stage. Endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm. These are the derm. And the most important thing is that our body consists, each and every cell consists of, our blueprint is in the form of, genetic material is in the form of DNA present on the chromosomes. These 26 chromosomes are present in the human body cells. These chromosomes or DNA decides our structure as well as all these things, our height, color, these are determined or fixed or determined by the DNA. Therefore called as blueprint. Our body also made up of three derm layers: endoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. Endoderm forms specific systems in our body. Ectoderm forms specific systems in our body, and mesoderm forms specific organs in the inside our body. Therefore, derm layers. Animals are of two types. That is, having two layers. Therefore, diploblastic. Having three layers, triploblastic. Then next, fifth category for or criteria for classification of animals, that is the segmentation on the body, and if there is segments on the body, animals are called as segmented. If segments म्हणजे खंड प्राय शरीर असणारे. When segments are absent, animals are called as unsegmented. Unsegmented, for example, cockroach, earthworm is segmented. Why? जे गांडुळाच्या शरीरावरती रेषा रेषा असतात म्हणजे खंड असतात, सेगमेंट्स असतात. सेगमेंटेड ॲनिमल. अनसेगमेंटेड ॲनिमल आपल्या शरीरावरती आहेत का? अनसेगमेंटेड. Segmented, unsegmented. Segmentation is also criteria for the animal classification. Invertebrate animals and vertebrate animals. These are classified according to these criteria. Invertebrate animals consist of 9 phylums: Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nemathelminthes, or Echinodermata. These are the some phylums of invertebrate because there is absence of vertebral column. But vertebrate animal consists of 5 types of classes. That is, first aquatic animal, that is called as Pisces. Example, all fishes. Then next, amphibian. Amphibian animal, that means example, frog. Frog, salamander. These are the example of amphibians. Third class, that is the reptilia. Fourth class, aves. And fifth class, mammals. जलचर, उभयचर, सरपटणारे पक्षी, सस्तन प्राणी. प्रत्येकाचे एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला माहिती आहेत. टेल मी द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ पायसेस, ऑल फिशेस. एक्झाम्पल ऑफ एम्फिबिया, फ्रॉग. एक्झाम्पल ऑफ रेप्टिलिया, स्नेक, कॅलोटस. एक्झाम्पल ऑफ एव्स, ऑल बर्ड्स. एंड एक्झाम्पल ऑफ मॅमल्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग, monkeys, lion, tiger. These are the example of mammals, सस्तन. All these animals are classified according to these criteria. First criteria, grades of organization. Second criteria, body symmetry. Third criteria, body cavity. Fourth criteria, germ layers. And fifth criteria is segmentation. Is it clear to you? Yes, ठीक है.